Hello everyone. Today we'll do the 10.3 question of the exercise of chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. So the question is that you have to write the structures of the compound and the name is given. Okay, so first compound is 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. So first compound of 10.3 question is 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. So this is the name of the compound and you have to write the structure of the compound. So what will be the structure? So first you will see that it is pentane. So you will make 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And at second position there is chloro group. So at second position there is chloro group. And at third position there is methyl group. So CH3. So this is the second and third position. Now you will have to put hydrogen atoms as per the valency of the carbon atom. Valency of carbon atom is 4. So here CH3 will come, here CH will come, here CH, CH2 and then here CH3. So this is how you will draw the structure of the compound, right? So let us move on to the second compound. So this is your second compound. The name is para-chlorobromobenzene. So you have to write the structure. So first you will see that it is benzene. So you will draw the benzene structure. So this is the benzene structure. Now this is the first position, or you can say whether you can take this first position, this or this, then you will start numbering it. So I'm taking this as first position. So this is the first position. So at first position there is bromo group. So this is bromo here, and at para position there is chloro, and para position is fourth position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So at fourth position there is chloro, Cl. So this is the structure of this compound, para chlorobromo benzene. So this is how we draw it. Now let's move on to our third compound. So the third compound is 1-chloro-4-ethyl cyclohexane. So we will see firstly what is the structure here given. So it is cyclohexane. So cyclohexane is this cyclohexane without double bond, and then at first position there is chloro. So this is the first position, and at fourth position there is ethyl group. Ethyl group is what? C2H5 group. So this is how we will draw this structure, right? So this was also easy. Now let's move on to our fourth compound. So this is the last compound we will discuss today. So this is 2,2-chlorophenyl 1-iodooctane. So first we will see what is given here. So it is iodooctane. So we will draw 8 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now at second position there is 2-chlorophenyl group. That is, this is the second position. So phenyl group attached to a chloro group at second position. So this is phenyl group and this is your first group, first position, and this is your second position. So 2-chlorophenyl is this. Now 1-iodo. So in the octo, so here double bond, double O is there. So in the octane, at first position there is iodo group. So here there is iodo group, right? Now we will substitute the hydrogen atoms as per the carbon's valency. So here it will come 1 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, CH2, 2 hydrogen, iodide, and this carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, so CH, here CH2, 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 and CH3, right? So this is the structure of this compound, 2,2-chlorophenyl 1-iodooctane, right? Now we can do one more thing here, that this CH2 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we can directly write it as CH2 whole 5 CH3. So this can also be done for drawing the structure of this compound. So this is how we draw the structure from the IUPAC names of the compound. So I hope you have understood all these compounds, drawing all these compound structures, and next 4 parts of the question 10.3 we'll do in next lecture. Thank you.